Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's topic of discussion is mole concept. So here it begins. This topic, the mole concept. To start with, we must be clear about what exactly does a mole represent. A mole is the unit, it is the standard unit for measurement of the amount of substance. So a mole is nothing but just a number whose value is equal to 6.0 into 10 to the power 23. And this number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 is known as the Avogadro's number. So we can say mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, just like we say a dozen is equal to 12. So next, the atom to the definition of mole. A mole is defined as the amount of substance that contains as many atoms, molecules, ions, or any other elementary entities as there are carbon atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon-12. The number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12 is called the Avogadro's number. So when someone claims of a matter to be of 1 mole in quantity, that implies that the matter under consideration contains exactly 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles. It may be atoms, molecules, ions, or any other elementary entities. So next, let us see two examples. One is carbon and the other copper. Carbon atom whose mass is 12 gram, contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So, therefore, we can say 1 mole of carbon 12 is equals to 12 gram. Similarly, copper atom whose mass is 63.5 contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Therefore, we can say 1 mole of copper is equal to 63.5 gram. So, in 1 mole, number of particles in copper is equal to the number of particles in 12 gram of carbon 12. So next, we will discuss the application of mole concept. Though mole is defined as a number limited to that in calculation, the various equivalent definition of 1 mole can be written as. So in terms of particle, 1 mole can be written as 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Next, in terms of volume, we can write 1 mole as 22.4 liter of gas at NTP or molar volume, and then at last, in terms of mass, we can write 1 mole as 1 gram atom of 1 gram mole of and 1 gram formula mass of substance. So these are the 3 equivalent definition of 1. So with the use of the above definition, the mole concept can be used to do various other calculation as shown. So there are various formulas to calculate the number of moles. So here we will be discussing about the 3 different formulas. So number 1 is the number of moles of atoms. So this can be calculated by weight in gram divided by the atomic mass. Number 2, number of moles of gas which is equal to volume at STP divided by standard molar volume. And at last, number 3, number of moles of particles which is equal to number of particles divided by Avogadro's number. So these are the three formulas through which we can calculate the number of moles. Next comes the uses of the number of moles in finding the concentration of this solution. So we use the moles to express the concentration of the solution in terms of molarity, molality, mole fraction, etc. So first comes molarity. So molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Next comes molality, which is equal to number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. And at last, mole fraction, which can be represented for two atoms A and B. So mole fraction of A is equals to Na divided by Na plus Nb for substance A and Xb, that is mole fraction of substance B, is equal to Nb divided by Na plus Nb. That is for the substance B. Again, we know that the mole fraction, that the sum of the mole fraction is equal to unity, that is Xa plus Xb is equal to 1, which implies Xa is equals to 1 minus Xb. So guys, like, share, comment and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching the video.